Yet another heartbreaking milestone. More than 100,000 lives have now been claimed by COVID.
It's hard to compute the sorrow contained in that grim statistic. The years of life lost.
Behind the stark statistics, the real human suffering of loved ones left behind. Each face a friend missed, a family bereaved.
You can't grieve because it's on television every day, and you're seeing people dying. You wonder, how many more's going, and you can't sleep.
Also tonight, the government insists there'll be no problem with vaccine supplies, despite questions in Europe. The careers cut short by COVID. Unemployment soars to a 5-year high, with worse still to come. And
well done. You are surviving a pandemic.
The encouragement every parent craves. One head teacher's reassurance to harassed homeschoolers.
This is the ITV Evening News with Mary Nightingale.
Good evening. The Prime Minister said tonight that he is deeply sorry for every life lost as the number of UK coronavirus deaths surpassed 100,000.